Jamaica's martial arts team, their participation at the US Open World Championships this weekend is now in doubt as Hurricane Beryl threatens to cause major disruptions to all sports. However, when TVJ Sports caught up with them at their most recent training session, expectations were high ahead of the competition in Orlando, Florida.
The US Open ISKA World Martial Arts Championships is the largest martial arts tournament in the world, with up to 4,000 participants expected from countries across the globe. And Jamaica's team is looking forward to success this weekend. Coach Jason Mackay talked up the potential of the team when TVJ Sports visited a recent training session.
Well, I know the makeup of the team. It's a blend of colored belts and black belts, drawn from schools right across the country, depending on who won the qualifiers and who participated in the qualifiers. So we have a good gender, 40% female, 60% male. And on a whole, we are expected we're expected to do better than we did last year. And as I said, for the colored belts and the juniors, it's a building back process for them. And I expect them to do better than they did last year. And I expect the male combined team to win every event they enter.
Aquino Lindsay, who is a second-degree black belt in Taekwondo and a member of Jamaica's combined martial arts team, will face perhaps his toughest test yet.
Yeah, I fight on ESPN this year. I fight a guy called Lear Gialdini from Ireland. He's a multiple European champion, multiple world champion, so it should be a good fight. Yeah, but I'm up for it. Yeah, I mean, it has to be my A game because this guy is really, really good, I say. He won in Finland last year. He won in the European Championship this year, actually. So he's a tough competitor. I've seen him. We were in Finland and I saw him. I was like, that guy would be a really, really good competitor for me. So I can gauge my skill because he was really good, really dominant in his game.
Sharik Bowen says he has learned his lessons from his outing last year.
Well, my coaches pulled me aside and really scrutinized me and pulled me aside to really see what my faults were and what I needed to change. So my punches have improved, my movement has improved, and overall my conditioning and my mindset as a fighter.
Sadiki Harris of Sai Thai Kickboxing is not short on confidence. In fact, the 17-year-old former Eltham High student says he is seeking to be challenged.
I'm one of the most powerful ones in the group and in my school. As I said, I haven't been challenged that hard to put out my 100%. So I'm very confident that I will win a gold medal, and you will see nothing else on my neck except gold.
Nathan Ellis, Rhea Williams, Leandra Williams and Nasir Mills are four of the younger members of the team.
Honestly, I don't know what to expect, but hearing by what Sir Lindsay has said, it is very challenging because fighting in AC is something I have never done before, nor in a cold area. So it's a learning experience and a challenge.
It's a little bit nerve-wracking and intimidating because there's going to be a lot of people there, more than 1,000 people. I've never competed with that many people, so it's a bit nerve-wracking. But, I've trained the best that I could, and I'm ready.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to give it like 150%. I plan to come back with a medal, multiple if I can.
I'm looking forward to winning a gold medal, bringing home at least one of them to make my mother and father proud, and other persons in our division to bring home other gold medals too.
But Jamaica's participation now looks in doubt with the passage of Hurricane Beryl set to affect travel out of the island. The team was originally set to travel on Thursday and compete on Friday and Saturday. The US Open ISKA World Martial Arts Championships runs from Thursday, July 4 to Saturday, July 6.